Every sustainable solution starts with nature. Today, we reveal how recycled fibers transform into leak-proof, eco-friendly couplets through cutting-edge automation. The journey begins with high-quality plant fibers, sustainably sourced and rigorously processed. Steam cooking breaks down raw materials into a uniform pulp, ready for shaping. Precision is key. Our servo-driven thermal forming system ensures uniform thickness and structural integrity, even for complex geometries like anti-slip ribs and sealing flanges. Precision cutting ensures flawless edges, while AI-powered vision systems inspect every lead for defects. Substandard products are instantly removed by a pneumatic ejection, maintaining 100% quality compliance. From factory to forest, every lead is packaged in recyclable materials, closing the sustainability loop. Engineering solutions that protect both people and the planet.